Hello guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164, and I'm really excited today because I'm going to open this beautiful Porsche, and it's a blister bag. This thing released and people went super crazy, but thankfully I found it. So what I'm gonna do, as you guys know, I'm going to cut the blister from here and I'll open it and I'll show it to you guys. Just give me a moment. So I was able to cut this open from here. That's how I open all my blisters. First I'll pull the box out and then the car intact. Let's put this on the side. Let me show you the box first. This is just a cool green color. Nice, right? And here's your car. I cannot tell you how happy I am. This is your plain base because it's a racing car, of course, and this is your awesome car. Let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. Man, literally I waited for this beauty for so long. I mean, I'm still looking at it, I'm mesmerizing it, and I'm really happy that I'm going to add this in my collection. It is very well detailed. It is of course not in the price range. It's quite costly. I got this from secondary resale market, but still thankfully I found it on a very reasonable price as compared to what it is going for now. And you can see why, right? The details of the dinosaur detail of the Rex detail, T-Rex, they have created on this particularly. You can see the hands on the sides, the tail on the top. On the back we have all the details of the dinosaur. You can see the patches. On side wheels you can see the foot of the Rex, and on front of course you can see the nose and eyes and mouth with the teeth. So this is actually a really good piece of art to keep in your collection. And if you see closely, those headlights are sparkly. It looks more like eyes than headlights. Other than that, we have exhaust on it. The exhaust details are really good. We have Michelin logo on the wheels. The black 10-spoke wheels look really cool on it. The stances of the car is very low. We have roll cage inside. It's a very well detailed car. And of course the Porsche logo on the windscreen in the front. Mini GT have put everything they can on this car. I think not a single detail has been missed. And the good thing is I had pre-ordered the pink version. I don't know when it's going to come out, but thankfully, thank God, I pre-ordered it. So probably I'm going to have my hands on it and I'll show it to you guys definitely on my YouTube channel. So that was your Porsche 911 GT number 77. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.